Hello everyone, so welcome to a new video. We got this fabulous property today. We are on sector B, very close to the amenities, and the shops are just at the end of that road there. This is a fabulous property. You can see the walls are raised for privacy. You have a pedestrian gate and off-road parking gate. So I'm just going to take you in. There's a little under storage there, and as we walk down here you can see the gates for the off-road parking. Now there's plenty of room here for at least 2 or 3 cars and a couple of motorbikes. You have a garage at the back there, and just at the very back you can see that there is a gate that goes out into the pool area. So these are the steps up into the property. I'm just going to step back here for a minute just to let you see that double gate. Now that's electric, and we're going to go inside the property now. So let me take you upstairs. So I've just come into the D section. Really lovely in here. You have a ceiling light and fan. You've got these lovely blinds to keep the sun out if it gets too hot, and just behind the sofa there you have got radiators. This house has aircon and radiators in it. So I'll just come down here, and we're going in through the front door now. We just pan around just to give you an idea of the D section. So this is the terrace. It has been enclosed to make extra accommodation. So let's go inside and have a look around. So immediately as I come inside, there is just behind the front door, there is overhead storage and a double wardrobe, so you can keep maybe your vacuum cleaner, your ironing board or whatever. There is some beautiful lighting above as well, very modern. And what I like about this particular property is they have a glass door there, so it's not so dark here, it's quite nice and bright. So as we come into the living room, you can see there's a lovely log burner feature fireplace there. Just above you have got a ceiling light and fan, and over here you have your aircon and you have your radiator over there. The flooring has all been done, and it's all done throughout this beautiful home. Just stand back and give you a feel for this room. Nice relaxing living room. So I'm going to take you through the archway and we'll have a look at the bedrooms. Now in here is a master bedroom. You have aircon and you've got your ceiling light and fan. You've got your radiator under the window. You have some beautiful views in front of the property, and you got your blackout blinds on the windows there as well. So I'm taking this room at a different angle. You've got your TV and you've got your nice dressing table and chairs there. Through that archway is a double wardrobe and a single wardrobe, and that leads on to your ensuite. So let's have a look down there. You have of course got your ceiling light and fan here, and your radiator, like I said, behind me under the window. Now here you have a double wardrobe with overhead storage, and beside it you've got a single wardrobe with overhead storage. The single one is generally used for your towels and your bits and bobs for your bathroom. As you can see, this flooring follows all the way through into the bathroom. Now in the bathroom you have got a shower, rain head shower with a clear screen shower screen, your frosted glass window. It's fully tiled, and you've got your bath and your WC there. You have a radiator under the towel rail there. And just here you have sink and vanity unit, and you've got a nice modern mirror there. You have of course overhead heater above. So let me take you in and around. And I'm going to take you in here. So you have an uplighter here as well in this link corridor. And this leads to the guest room and to the shower room. Now this shower room has a lovely modern mirror there. As you can see on the far side, you have a radiator under the towel rail. You have a nice vanity unit and your WC. And of course, you got your shower cubicle here. Got your frosted glass window, and it's a rain head shower cubicle. All fully tiled as well. Really nice. And just above the door, of course, you got your overhead heater. Got some lovely spotlights above as well. So let me take you through. Now in here is your guest room. You have his and hers wardrobe. Just above you got a ceiling light and fan. Of course you've got a radiator just under the window over there as well. And you have aircon. So this is a nice sized double bedroom. You've got a desk there as well. Just take this room at a different angle. And this room looks over that fabulous pool out there. As you can see, you have aircon in here as well. And this is a good sized double bedroom. You could put a double bed in here quite easily. So let me go in and around. So we're back into this fabulous living room. And this is your dining area. So as you can see, it's quite a good sized dining area. Large table, 6 chairs to get the whole family around. Nice unit there with lovely mirror. And you have your overhead ceiling and fan. And just under the window, of course, you have got your radiator just there. Now just here is your kitchen. So this is quite a squared off kitchen. It's very modern, high gloss units with granite splashbacks and worktops. You have integrated hob over there, and you've got an integrated microwave and oven just here, an American style fridge. You've got your washing machine and your sink and drainer. And just over here you have got a dishwasher as well. So all the modern appliances that you would need in a kitchen. Really lovely. And that just goes off the dining area there. You've got this beautiful modern light above as well. So plenty of top and base units. I'm just going to come around here again just to give you another view. I'm going to take you upstairs now and we'll have a look at the top box. You have got, I almost missed it, got some spotlights just there in the units as well. So through here, you're not going out onto a staircase. You have it all enclosed. There is a door here out into the pool area. And that door, of course, goes out onto the front of the property. Lovely breeze here. As you see, there is a light above on the staircase, and you've got a couple of windows up there as well. So I'll see you at the top. So I'm at the top, guys, and as you can see, the flooring has come through all the way through the house. And up here now, I'm sure this will be the master bedroom. Beautiful flooring again, and some absolutely fabulous wardrobes, wall to wall and ceiling to floor. Absolutely fabulous. And of course they just come across really easy. Oops. So really nice, really large bedroom. There is aircon and there is a ceiling light and fan, and you've got your radiator there as well. Just going to have a quick peek in here. I think this would be just storage. Yes, it's storage. So what they've actually done here is when you usually go out onto the top box as you go out, you normally have the storage just there, but they've extended this, made this a lot bigger, and you've still got an ample terrace there with some beautiful views. So let's have a look outside. So it's absolutely stunning out here. It's a really hot day. You could easily put a lazy spa up here. It's ample size enough to do so, and you could put some loungers and some grass and all that. Now I'm just going to come over and we have a look. As you can see, the shops and bars are just over there, and the estate agents. So you're right in the thick of it, and some people absolutely love that, so you don't need a car and have to worry about driving home after having a drink at night. Beautiful views all around, absolutely stunning. You have, of course, your overhead light and your blackout blinds on the windows. The windows are double glazed, so you won't get any sounds from the street. You also have a water point just there. Put the hose in and just shower the tiles down if they get mucky, because we do get the red sand sometimes. So just standing over here, just to give you a look at this fabulous bedroom. It's really, really large. So this would be the master bedroom, whoever bought this house. Really stunning. I'm going to take you inside. I'm going to have a look at the ensuite to this bedroom. If you've noticed, the internal doors are done. They've spared no expense in this property. They've upgraded it to a great standard. So just in here you have this lovely vanity unit and sink with black faucet. You have your WC, and you have a very modern shower. It has a semi-frosted shower screen, black rain head shower, really nice, and some beautiful tiles in here as well. Very modern, as you can see. And of course you have a unit there that takes any steam away. Lovely modern mirror, and your frosted glass window. Got a nice bright lovely light above. Got 3 sockets there as well, and you've got this beautiful flooring throughout. You have this lovely towel rail as well, so that's a heated towel rail with your central heating. Okay, so really beautiful room. So let me take you downstairs and we'll have a look outside. So I'll see you at the bottom of the stairs, guys. Now I'm down at the bottom of the stairs, guys. I'm quite excited because we're going outside. Oh wow, look at this. So you have got a few steps here just to go onto the main flooring down there, or the ground I should say. Need to put my sunglasses on as I'm going out. Fabulous pool, and just here you have an area where you can just sit. There is some more storage here to see if that's opened. No, it's locked, but it's storage and it's under the stairs, and it usually holds quite a bit. So I'm just panning around. Beautiful floor. So let's go over and have a look. So this is a villa that you could have friends and family or some party nights, because I can see there's a bar there. Lovely area for lounging. You've got your shower there. Beautiful, beautiful property. So just in here, and if you've noticed, there is cameras, there's lights, and there's all, in Wales we call it truffing, but there's all guttering all down, and you don't find that in many houses in Spain. So they've done a lot to this property, I got to say. So you have your lovely seating area here, really nice. And just here you have lights that come on at night. You have an area for dining, for outside dining, and your wine rack just there, and you've got a bar. What more could you want? You've got a bell there to call time as well. So this is a lovely bar. It also has a cooling fridge for your beers. You've got two there. You've got your sink and drainer. You've got plenty of switches and sockets, and you've got this lovely worktop space in granite. This is a great area for friends and family, and it's nice and shaded as well, and overlooks that fabulous pool. What more could you want, guys? What more could you want? Absolutely fabulous. Do you know, you could even hold a few parties in here. Fabulous. Oh, let's have a look in this cupboard now. Oh, look at this. You got a WC, so that's handy. You don't have to go through the house, you know. And you got your sink, so if you're cut short in the pool or anything, you know, so that's great. God, you got everything here, haven't you, guys? So let's have a look around here now. So this is all laid mainly to shale, as you can see. You have your area there just to hang your smalls. This is into the garage. I don't know whether this will be open or not. No, it's not, but that's just the garage there. But look at that pool. So inviting. And it's quite a wide pool as well. So what do you think, guys? Absolutely fabulous, isn't it? So guys, what do you think? So I'm standing here at the bar, ready to be served. I'll get out myself. You've got this great area for outside dining with friends and family, and you've got that fabulous pool. The property has been revamped, done to a very high standard. And the only thing that I would think, if you wanted to put your own stamp on it, is maybe put a chrome and smoked glass balustrade on the door coming in. Other than that, there's not a lot that needs doing here, if anything. It's really beautiful. So it's one of those that I'll be getting really excited about. Might even buy myself a lottery ticket. It's really fabulous. So don't forget, guys, do share and like. Press that like button. It pushes it out, this property, to people that may be looking for this exact property, okay? I will leave the reference in the title of the video and all the details of the agent will be below, okay? So please don't contact me to view the property. Contact the agent and the girls in the office. So until the next time, have an amazing day, take care, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.